Total angle in a circle is 360 degrees. Number of hours in a clock is 12 hours. So that means in 1 hour it will go 30 degrees. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes it will go 30 degrees. 1 minute it will go how many degrees? Half degrees. That means our hand in 1 hour it makes an angular displacement of 30 degrees. The same our hand in 1 minute, how much angular displacement it makes? Half degree. Right? Now, with this understanding, there are 3 important types. We will discuss that one. In this type 1, time period will be given. In the question, time period will be given. Angle we need to find it out. Time period will be given. Angle we need to find it out. See the question. Find the angle between the, first listen to 4 questions. Find the angle between the 2 hands of a clock. Find the angle between the 2 hands of a clock for the following time periods. For the following time periods. Find the angle between the 2 hands of a clock for the following time periods. Listen carefully. First question. 3:40 p.m. 3:40 p.m. Now, step number 1. Visualize this time period onto a clock. If I visualize it, this will be like this. Hour hand is at 3. Minute hand is at 8. This is not the right representation. Some changes needs to be done. We need to make the changes. 3:40. Now listen carefully. Hour hand is at 3. Minute hand is at 8. How many hours difference? 5 hours difference. 1 hour, what is the angular displacement? 30. 5 hours means how much it is? 150. Are you all with me? Now, when the minute hand reaches 8, our hand will not be at 3. It will move for some time. How much time it will move? 40 minutes. 1 minute, what is the angle? Half degree. 40 minutes means 20. Out of 150, 20 more. What is the answer? 130. Are you all with me? Please take it. See here. 3:40 p.m. Step number 1. Represent it on the clock. Our hand is at 3 o'clock. Minute's hand is at 8 o'clock. 3 to 8. How many hours difference? 5 hours difference. 1 hour it is 30 degrees. 5 hours it will be 150 degrees. When the minute hand reaches 8, our hand will not be at 3. It will take for how much time? 40 minutes. 1 minute half degree. 40 minutes how much it is? 20. Out of 150, 20 it will be. 3 more questions so that you will understand it better. Listen carefully. Second one. 1:20 p.m. 1:20 p.m. Listen carefully. 1:20 p.m. This is 1 and it is 4. Please listen carefully. Do not write. Listen to it carefully. This is our hand and this is minute's hand. How many hours difference? 3 hours difference. 1 hour is 30 degrees. 3 hours will be 90. When the minute hand reaches 4, our hand will move for how many minutes? 20 minutes. 1 minute half degree. 20 minutes 90.